Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your get your Git app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in reverse. So you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to a profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to get here products and service here. You come here to app notifications, click in this sign. Like you see this color server as that's me you get products and services enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.